Now is the right moment to take care of the author section. First, I select the author picture and I add the avatar action. I set the size according to the template design. For the author name, I add the author action. And I set to Replace Content. For the author biography, I use the author meta action. And I choose the description field. I also set to Replace Content. I save and export. From my local WordPress, instead of the static HTML from the Webflow template, there is now my author data from the CMS.